Good morning. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. We made it through the week. Friday was kind of busy. Um, Friday wasn't. It was busy because I had to go to a concert with my daughter. But other than that, I didn't have much vlog Friday in the morning. Pretty much, I think I just went to the salon, got that clean, came back, did some paperwork, and did some editing, some research, and that was it for Friday. So I got done Friday early, but then the second half of the day was just hanging with my daughter. So I didn't vlog that part of it, but I still had some footage for yesterday, so you'll see it today. I'll upload it today, which is Saturday. It's a chilly morning this morning. See, in the backyard, it's real chilly. Sun is out. It's a nice day. It's nice and cool. Sun is out today, but it's kind of cool right now. Hopefully it'll warm up. I'm still in shorts. Hopefully it'll warm up today as the sun comes out. It's early now. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. About to get my hot water and head to the salon. Salon is good. Ain't nothing to really do there this morning. We're gonna just clean and then come back and do some editing. And then today should be a good, easy day. It's just more planning for the restaurant, and so it's more paperwork and research. You know, there's a lot of things to consider in the restaurant. The restaurant is I know some of the things we're gonna do, but I still have to research some of the things we're gonna do. So like packaging, kind of figure out exactly with the menu. I know the menu already. I know what we're gonna do, but we just gotta figure out like the process to get that menu done in terms of in detail. So we know we're gonna have chicken. We know we're gonna have fried chicken. We know, but in making a menu, you're gonna have to have fried chicken, but you're gonna have to have like a description talking about that fried chicken. You know what I'm saying? Buttered or floured or crispy, juicy, succulent chicken, deep fried or, yeah. So we got to write all of that as far as, the menu. And then you just, right now, you kind of put yourself in that space to vision how you working that space. You know what I'm saying? So sometime today I might end up going up there, or tomorrow I might just go up there and visualize things based on the plan, the layout that we did with the architect. We're just gonna visualize where everything is gonna go, and then go from there. But in the background you have a lot to figure out. So we know the layout, but we don't know the design, like the wall color, the floors, stuff like that. No, I know what we're gonna do for the floors. I have an idea like what tiles we're gonna put on the floors. In the kitchen, we're gonna use those kitchen tiles that's standard in the industry. You have a red one and you have a gray looking one. We're gonna use the gray one, those square tiles you see in every restaurant kitchen. So you have the gray one, the red one. We choose the gray one. In the front area, you're gonna have tiled area. We're gonna use more of a nicer tile in the front instead of the kitchen tile. Kitchen tiles never normally go in the customer area. So we're gonna, I have an idea of what I want it to look like, but I haven't chosen a tile. So at the end of the day, those are the things you do in the background. In the meantime, while you're waiting on permits, you try to figure out your design, your walls, what it's gonna look like, what you're gonna paint the color, what painting you're gonna put on the wall things like that, you know. So when you hear me say I'm gonna do I'm gonna do paperwork in the background, that's what I'm talking about. When I do some paperwork or research, and you hear me use those words, that's what I'm literally doing, trying to figure out, hey, this water right here, is it gonna go white, black, you know, what color what's the theme. um, yeah, we have designers who do all of that, but still you have to have an idea to tell the designer, hey, this is a theme, you know, let me see, give me some different um, um, what's the word, I don't remember what's the word, it's in my brain but I forget the word. Anyhow, just give me some different designs, and then you could choose. So you have designers who could do that. They charge an arm and a leg, by the way, to do a design, even just for one space. I don't know how they come up with these prices, but most of the stuff I don't go through a designer. I just take my time and we figure it out. You know, um, I ask for help, like, you know, friends, family, whatever, and then we figure it out. But um, what we do is put all that together. That way, when that day comes, we already know, you know, what we would probably put on the floor, what we would paint the walls in and stuff like that, ceilings, all of that. You know, you make a list, just like how I made an equipment list the other day. I'm gonna make a list of materials. So for instance, you're gonna need your water heater. I have a list already of all these things, but then because we're building a toilet and we're gonna do floors, we're gonna do paint, so you make a list of like the paint you're gonna need, the color, the walls, the floors. We're gonna have to buy sheetrock, framing materials. So what I do, I make a list of all those things we're gonna need to buy. So whether the contractor is gonna buy it or we gonna buy it, I still make a list, so I know we're gonna need all those things, right? The detailed stuff like the plumbing pipes and elbows and stuff, no, the plumber will deal with that. But still, I make a list, you know, say, hey, we're gonna need materials, piping and stuff like that. At least if I have a list, I'll know if I leave anything off money wise, you know what I'm saying? So I make that list just to, you know, be on top of things, make sure, you know, the budget will cover that list. Yeah, so, you know, in the background, we gotta think about all those things, you know, think about the menu, all the different permits we have to get when it comes to health department. Then in the final stage, we're gonna have to think about utensils and pots, pans, sheets, you know, cleaning supplies, stuff for the restaurant, like I mean, for the health department that you have to have, like hair nets, you know, gloves. We might need some aprons. So, you know, stuff like that. Whatever cleaning stuff we need, sanitizers. We need all those things for the health department in order to open. When on inspection day, they're gonna, you know, inspect all those things, like the fire marshal needs to come and inspect before we get our CO. So for him to inspect, our hood system and fire suppression has to be up to dated and good to go, tagged and stuff like that. Our fire extinguishers has to be tagged and, you know, up to date and hanged on the wall, stuff like that. You know, so it's quite a bit of thing we have to put in on the list. Detail wise, it's a lot. Every restaurant is the same, so you can't use the list that somebody else. You have the general stuff, and then you have stuff that apply to your restaurant, right? So most of it is general stuff when it comes to the restaurant. They all have to have a list, but then it's specific to you because you might only have 2 exits and you need 2 exit lights, and you know what I'm saying, while another restaurant might need 5 or 10 or whatever the case is. So it's in general that you need exit signs and stuff like that and whatever, but as far as the amount and what you need, it varies with the restaurant. There's some items I can't think of it. One restaurant might need, but another might not. Yeah. So, it's early now. It's 7:30 in the morning. Hot water is done, so I'm gonna get that, and then I'm gonna head out to the salon real quick, give it a quick clean, and then let's start the day from there. I'm gonna come back, do some editing. I'm gonna do some paperwork and some research. The car is still there. I reached out to the guy who wanted it, told him that it's ready, and if he's still interested, he said he's still interested. However, he still haven't told me, hey, I'm coming Saturday, I'm coming this time. Apparently he lives close by here or something. I'm not sure, but he said he was still interested. So let's see. If not, I'll put the car back outside with a for sale sign. See if we could get a buyer. Yeah, but we on it. Let's go. Sort the salon out real quick. I'll be right back. Oh, and I was a day late so yesterday I downloaded Thursday's video. That is already uploaded to the tube, so we're in good shape. All I have to do now is do yesterday's video. It's now Saturday, so I gotta do Friday's video when I get back, upload that, and I'm recording Saturday's video right now, so we'll get it. It's every day. I've been consistent so far for the past 2 weeks. Yesterday, guys, it's Friday. Yesterday made a full 2 weeks. I started not the Friday before, but the one before that. So it's a full 2 weeks. I would say 14 days. I'm gonna go back and check, make sure I have 14 videos, but it's a full 2 weeks. I've gotten in it says in 28 days, but I believe it's in 2 weeks or 2 to 3 weeks. I would say I got almost 30 subscribers. So that's awesome. It was like 60 something or 60 something subscribers. Now we're at 90 something subscribers. So it's climbing day by day. I get at least 1 subscribers. That means you guys are interested in what I'm saying. Maybe not the whole world is interested, but those extra 30 people who subscribe to my channel, at least they're supporting me or they like what I'm saying. As I said, it's a lot of footage. It's a lot. The videos are long. It's me talking a lot. So as I said, if you don't want to hear me talking a lot, then you could just subscribe and play it in the background if you want. But you don't have to sit there and watch it all day. As I said, you could just play it in the background on your TV when you hear bits and pieces of me, or look at me. You could mute it and look at me. But I'm grateful for the subscribers. We're trying to turn this into something. I'm showing you what I'm doing every day. It's not a how-to video. It's not a it's not a how-to video, and it's not a tutorial. I meant to say, but it's just what I do in my life every day, right? As I said, personal stuff, personal people, I'll leave out, but it's focused on me and what I'm doing, right? So I'm gonna show you what I do when I get up on a Saturday. What I do, I get up, talk to you guys, make my hot tea, edit the videos, go out there and clean the salon. That's what I do, right? And then any unexpected stuff that comes up, I'll show it to you. So that's what the channel is about. So if you like what you see so far, hit the like button or subscribe or whatever you normally do. If you don't, just watch it. It don't matter. It's just me putting content out there and what I do. So I appreciate, guys. Thank you. and let's see if we could make that 100 subscribers. We set goals, so let's see if I could hit that 100. When we get to 100, I'll set another goal and see if we could make it. I'll see you in a minute. I'm heading over to the salon. Thank you. Alright guys, so we got done with the salon, done cleaning restrooms, took a few pictures to post some ads. We're doing daily rentals, so let me show you the daily rental room. So this is our daily rental room. It's all done, ready to go. Has its own wash sink, wash bowl, not hooked up yet because we don't know who's gonna rent it daily, if it's gonna be a wash hairdresser or a braider or whatever. I'm gonna put it in permanently though. So whether it's they use it or don't use it, it's gonna be available. Comes with chair, you know, a locker, mirrors, comes with mirrors right there. That's me, just in case you guys don't know. Comes with door intercoms. As I said, you could, you know, talk to them, open the door, you know, see what's going on. They could call this room directly from outside. So every room has one of these. So, you know, has a nice chandelier, more lights. I'm gonna install a TV right there, so it'll come with that TV. So it's a nice little daily rental. You could rent it for the day. Whatever profession you're in the hair industry, you could rent this room. Makeup artists, hair braiders, loctician, you name it. Nail tech, not so much. Maybe we're thinking about nail tech. If they do ask and want it, then we'll you know, make changes, change it, and put a table in here temporarily. So it's good for, you know, just a daily rental. One flat fee, you get 8 hours and keep it moving. You'll get a door code to enter, and then we also have door codes on this door right here. So it's a easy process. You just, the concept is contact the number, contact Lifestyle, whether by email, phone number, or whatever, and then once you get that, you contact our leasing agent. She'll, you know, you make a deposit. We're gonna do Zelle, whatever money transfer that's available, we'll take it. So once you Zelle or Cash App or whatever way of sending money nowadays, once that's paid, they send you a code for the door. You could come on in, come into your suite, do what you gotta do. You'll have access to let your customers in. The codes will just be for the day. So if it's 9 to 5, then the codes will work 9 to 5. After that, your time is expired. If you need more time, then you'll go into the next day. So it's pretty simple. It's, you know, one set fee for a period of time. Go over that time, it goes into the next day. Pretty much it's just a simple daily rental setup. You ain't gotta do all the talk to nobody, you ain't gotta do nothing. It's pretty much quick and easy. So you want a room tomorrow, once it's available, you could get it. It's real cheap. It's not expensive. If anyone out there watching this, get with our leasing agent. It's at Lifestyle Salon Suites. You could go on our website too, lifestylesalonsuites.com. And from there you'll get the numbers to the leasing agent. All right, so we got everything cleaned. We got the front cleaned, the kiosk cleaned, the hallways cleaned, bathroom cleaned. So we're pretty much getting out of here. This is the hallways. Hold on a second. Yeah, as I was saying, guys, so we got done with the salon. I had to go back in. A tenant, one of our room it's super cold in there. I don't know why that room is so cold. The vents are probably just straight, like direct, coming from the main plenum. There's a main AC plenum that runs in the ceiling. Her room is just probably just direct from that plenum, so there's more air flowing. So I need to put a damper in there to control that air that's going into that specific room. The rest of the room is fine on that side of the building, because you know, they're hairdressers, so they got dryers on, they got curling irons, so it warms the room up a little bit. And then some of them, they'll have their heaters and stuff like that. So some rooms are super cold, some rooms are just right because of what they're doing in there. They're busy, more people in there, so it's, you know, body heat. It makes it feels a little bit better. But one of our rooms, the makeup artist, she doesn't have any dryer or any kind of heating source in that room. Some of the tenants, they'll have like refrigerators or stuff like that. Those things generate heat, so that room will be more comfortable than her room, the makeup room. The makeup room, she has nothing in there. There's no refrigerator, no nothing. It's just a makeup chairs and a vanity and stuff like that. So her room is just super cold. So tomorrow, Sunday, I'm gonna install a damper. What that damper does, when you adjust that valve, what it restricts the flow from going into that room. The rest of the rooms are fine, but for today, it's super cold inside there. Outside the temperature is not too bad, but inside it's cool. We keep the temperature cool inside the building so that, you know, everybody could warm their space. She doesn't have a heater, so what I'll do, I'll restrict the flow in her room. But for the day today, I turned the temperature down. Well, turn the temperature up, you know, make it warmer, so that she and her clients will be comfortable for the day. So I'm done with the salon. I'm going to head out to back home, see if I could edit some videos. So yesterday's videos, I haven't uploaded that yet. Friday's video, it's now Saturday. Thursday video I uploaded last night, but Friday video is not out yet. So I'm gonna go home, work on that real quick, do some background paperwork I was telling you about this morning. I do like you know, research and stuff like that. Put my mind towards the restaurant. So most days I'll do these vlogs, but then when I go home, it's working on the restaurant as far as the build and who needs to do what and coordinate all of that. So I do that in the background. I'll show you some of it, but most of my time when I'm off camera, that's what I'm doing, working on the restaurant. So let's head over back to the house. I'm finished here at the salon, so let's head back over to the house and see what's next. Oh, I gotta contact that guy for the car if he wants to get the car today. Let's see what he wants to do. All right guys, so I'm back at the house, doing some editing. It's Saturday, for those who might not know, it's Saturday.
Good morning.
I'll pause this. So it's Saturday. I'm doing some editing on Friday's video. It's now Saturday. We got out Thursday's video early this morning. I'm a little bit behind, but I'm trying to get out Friday's video now. So yesterday's video, I'm trying to get it out now. It's now Saturday. We finished with the alarm, the salon alarm. Where the hell did that come from? Anyway, we finished with the salon this morning. Got up early, 7:30. Head over there, did a couple walk through and clean up and took care of that. So they're good for the day, pretty much. Shot a little bit of video about the rooms that's available. Came back, so now I'm doing yesterday's video, editing yesterday's video. Last night, yesterday was a short day. It was a Friday. It is a busy day in the background, but it was a short day in terms of vlogging. So I pretty much vlogged me, you know, getting up, going to the salon, I believe, all that stuff. But yesterday was pretty short because I had to cut it short. My daughter had one of those concert type thing. So from 2:40 I did my last vlog, and then I was there at the concert 7 o'clock until last night around 10. So I didn't vlog anything after the concert. That part I won't be vlogging, so I'll just tell you what I did. So yesterday was a short day for me. So that vlog might be a short vlog. Well, not really. It says almost an hour. So I'll cut it down. It might be about 45 minutes, 50 minutes. So I'm going to post that in about an hour or two. And then I'm collecting this. So this footage I'm doing right now is for Saturday's vlog, which later tonight or tomorrow I'll put Saturday's vlog out. So we going. The views are looking good. Subscribers are subscribing. I'm on my way to 100 subscribers. We almost there. 5 more. I think we're at 95 or 96 at the time of filming this video. But we getting there. I'm appreciative of. I can't stop stressing it. I'm appreciative of what's going on so far. The subscribers are there. The ones who are watching. I'm getting a lot more watch hours, which is good. When I check the analytics, the watch hours has increased dramatically, like doubled, maybe tripled based on what I had before. So as I said, we just started up this channel. The channel has been there a while, but we just started 2 weeks ago. I'm posting every day. I'm trying to put everything that I do. The reason why I keep repeating myself over in all these videos, because you got people who just started watching from this video. So I gotta fill in, you know what I'm saying? Just in case. If they go back, they're gonna see me saying the same thing. But a lot of times, this video that I'm posting, that's what people start watching from. New subscribers, new people who stumble up on the channel. So I'm here. Thankful for the subscribers, thankful for the views, guys. If as I said, if what I'm saying is not interested to you, it's fine. I do that sometimes. I click through, and then when I click through, I find the people who I want to watch. Some people I don't want to watch. Some people I subscribe to all the time. So I like to watch like the Jamaican adventures. I'm from Jamaica, so I like to watch the Jamaican YouTubers mostly. I have some YouTubers abroad and stuff that I watch, but I mostly subscribe to the Jamaican ones that's doing the adventures. I could call them right on here. I'll be watching Colors Smith, Drizzy Burke, Hidden Beauty TV, Sunrise, Jamaica Sunrise. Those are the guys I watch almost every day. I look forward for their videos. They are somewhat of an inspiration. Professor Bingi, my Jamaican fellow Jamaicans, I should say. I support them a lot. I watch all their videos, all their content. Drizzy Burke and Sunrise, all of them. I went back to the first video and played them and watched them. So they're my inspiration in this. It's addictive. They got me addicted. So now I'm doing a little bit of the YouTube stuff about my life, and I hope they'll see it and get addicted to it, and others will see it and get addicted to it. So yeah, I'm just going through. Most of these vlogs are on me. I'll show around what I'm doing. If I'm in the city, I'll show a little bit of driving, a little bit of this, but it's centered, the channel is centered around me, pretty much talking all the time. So it's like a podcast for myself, interviewing myself and showing what I do throughout the day. But yeah, I'm here working on this video, trying to get it out. I'll get it out in probably another hour or two, and then keep getting footage for today. So as I go along, whatever I'm doing, I'll vlog that. So right now I'm vlogging. I'm working on editing the video for yesterday, which was Friday. So yeah, let's keep going and see what I'm gonna do next. Yeah, I got something coming up today. You guys won't see it until Sunday, but I got something coming up. We're heading somewhere. I don't want to let the secret out, but you will see it in the video after this. Lean idea, yeah. Where next? I'm gonna show you in the next clip. But man, clean, check it. Man, in them pretty shots. We clean. We're outside. So show no what go on. Where to next? In the day, yeah. Today is Saturday. Edit up all the video them. We upload last night video, yesterday video, Friday. So I leave it to upload. So hopefully you guys will see it in about an hour or two. Today's video I'm gonna drop tomorrow. I'm gonna edit it tonight and post it tonight. But as far as Friday's video, it's uploading right now as we speak, and well, you'll see it by the time I put this out. You'll already see it. I uploaded Thursday's video as well this morning, so that's already up. So stay tuned for the next scene. what we're doing today. Did some work at the salon and now we're at the track. Falun liksom. Guys, so we're here at the truck. We're still at the truck. It's probably 7 o'clock by now. Came drifting today, so today's vlog pretty much was getting out there and to the salon and get that stuff done, and then we head out to the truck. Been out here since 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock maybe. Sometimes we have to just take a little break and, you know, enjoy ourselves. So we out here. No fast car. You can probably hear them in the background drifting. And now I go like kind of boring though. No disrespect to the drifters and the people, the fans. But after I see them drift down the track about 2-3 times, I'm really not interested no more. Maybe if I did younger, when I did younger, I did probably more interested, but now it's not really fun no more. I think more like rally more exciting. They might crash, they might jump, they might do all sorts of stuff, but this kind of just boring. Formula 1 not too bad, but them not jump, them not crash, them just go in a circle. Drag race are the worst, and just go straight. But yeah, we're going to show you some more footage. Enough bad car. Look guys, where they chill. Chill out on the yoga mat. then light up on the glass, it tell you when them a brake and when them a gas. Or when they
That's how
stop.
you know when you're ready to go.
Eh?
That's how you know if you're ready to go again.
No, like when them a go on the track, you can know when them apply them brake versus when them a gas it. Yeah. That's how the judges tell if them dip on them gas or them for them gas. Yes, that's how them judge them.
Where the judges at?
Yeah, some of them, some I don't know. You know, them a look for one and then somewhere they stand there somewhere.